Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Veganuary as fork day 3. So today I have worked a lot on our other channel, and now it's the end of a long day and I have to make dinner. So I really want to make something that's quick and easy and is still going to taste like and look like I spent a little time in the kitchen, because let's face it, if it doesn't look good, you're not going to want to eat it. So tonight we're having sweet and sour soy curls. And the thing that I love about these soy curls is that it is just cooked soybeans that have been dried out, non-GMO soybeans. So it's a go-to for me. I really like using them in a lot of different recipes. And this doesn't have a lot of ingredients. This recipe really only has peppers, pineapple, carrots, and some various liquids to make the sauce. And I usually serve it over a bed of steamed white rice, basmati, of course, because that's my husband's favorite.
Yes.
So let's get started. It's going to go really, really quickly. So I've got my pan over here on the stove, all ready to go. I'm going to put it on medium-high heat, and you don't have to use oil. You could saute in a little bit of water if you like, but I really like to use oil, especially in a stainless steel pan. So I've got about 1.5 tablespoons of oil in there, and once my pan gets hot, I'm going to add my peppers. Normally I would use, 2 or 3 peppers, but we're doubling the recipe today. So I've got 4 very large peppers in here. I've got an orange one that I've already cut up on the bottom. I've got a green one, I've got a yellow one, and I've got a red one, because I want it to look good, and that's what came in the package when I bought it at the store. So I'm going to do the peppers first, along with the carrots. I'm going to put the carrots in at the same time too. Now, I've done this recipe in the past, but I did it stupidly, and I had too many steps with the soy curls, and it's really not necessary to have all those steps. So after I saute these for a couple of minutes till they start to get soft, we're going to come back and add in the soy curls. Alright, we're ready to add the soy curls. You can see that the peppers are starting to get a little bit soft, and they're giving off their water in the pan. That's how you know that they're not too crunchy anymore, because they're starting to make the pan a little wet. Right? So we're adding in our soy curls. Don't worry, all of the ingredients, including their amounts, are going to be in the info box below. So now, in the past, I would reconstitute the soy curls and then put a coating on them. You don't really need to do all that. You can just put them in like they are. And then here I have 2 cups of vegan chicken stock. So I'm going to add that now. And you might need more, depending on how many soy curls you actually put in there. I didn't put exactly a certain amount. I put what I thought looked good. So what we're going to do is pretty much bring this up to the boil and keep stirring so that the soy curls will be able to absorb all of the liquid. Alright, so now you can see that the soy curls have absorbed all of the water that we put in there. So now it's time to add 1 fresh pineapple. Yes, this is a treat, but you know what? At this time of the year, pineapples are so reasonable. I got that one for 99 cents, and it was a nice big juicy one. If you use a canned pineapple, I would use 1 can, and I would not throw out the juice. I would include the juice in it as well. So we're just gonna saute this a little bit more until the pineapple gets heated all the way through. And then we're going to make the sauce right here in the pan. And pretty much after that, we're going to be ready to eat. So it comes together really quickly. If you've got a nice fresh pineapple, it tastes really nice. Time to add the magical liquid ingredients. so first of all, this is sweet and sour. So what do you add? Sweet and sour. We have some organic cane sugar in here, and we have some apple cider vinegar in here. So it's equal parts of apple cider vinegar and sugar. So that's what's going to give it its sweet and sour taste. And I made a lot here, so it is a little dry, so I'm just going to add a little bit more water, which is going to help get our sugar out of here too. I normally wouldn't measure out the ingredients like this beforehand, but I didn't want to have to struggle because I have my husband filming for me today instead of my daughter, and he didn't go to school for this, so we want it nice and liquidy because we like a lot of sauce on our rice. Then the second grouping of magical ingredients are liquid aminos. I mixed some arrowroot in there, or if you don't have arrowroot, cornstarch is just as good, if not better. And some tomato ketchup, like just regular tomato ketchup. You know, like Heinz ketchup, or what's another brand?
You're asking me?
Yes.
I don't know.
Alright, so again, we're going to add a little bit more water. And we're going to give it a big stir. Going to turn it down just a little bit.
Hunts.
Hunts, there you go.
Ah,
now
took a while.
Alright, so we're just going to mix the heck out of this while it's coming up to temperature, and it's going to have a magical sauce, and we'll be ready to plate. Alright, I've got my bowl of steamed rice here, and I'm going... This has been sitting for a couple of minutes because it was blazing hot and really didn't want to burn my face off. But in full disclosure too, I added about an extra cup and a half of water just so the sauce would be more saucy. It's not extremely saucy, but you gotta have it a little bit saucy, right? So let's get a spoon. Alright, so I got a fork. Right? Doesn't that just make you so hungry? Besides the fact that it's 8:30 right now?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Delicious. So easy too. I hope you guys make it. My dog is digging for something under the table right now, so he said, please give it 2 thumbs up, or just 1. And subscribe for more Veganuary as fork videos. And we'll see you on the next one. And until then, much love.